Open the Galaxy Wearable app today, and you might notice something waiting in the update section. Samsung has quietly started rolling out a fresh software update to several older Galaxy Watch models, proving that even watches released years ago are still getting attention. The latest update is arriving for the Galaxy Watch 4, Galaxy Watch FE, Galaxy Watch 5, and Galaxy Watch 6 series. While this isn't a major feature release packed with new tools or redesigned menus, it delivers something every smartwatch owner should care about: improved security and system reliability. Reports indicate the update includes the May 2026 security patch, bringing a collection of important fixes designed to better protect users and keep devices running smoothly. Samsung first released this patch for newer models like the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch 8 lineup, before expanding availability to older generations. The rollout has reportedly started in South Korea and is expected to reach additional regions over the coming days and weeks. If you're hoping for new health features or a dramatic interface overhaul, this update probably won't change your daily experience. The firmware focuses mainly on security enhancements, bug fixes, and software optimizations. In other words, it's designed to make your watch more stable, secure, and dependable behind the scenes. What's particularly notable is Samsung's continued support for devices like the Galaxy Watch 4. Even though it's one of the oldest Wear OS-powered Galaxy Watches still receiving updates, Samsung remains committed to delivering security maintenance long after launch. To check whether the update is available for your watch, open the Galaxy Wearable app, head to Watch Settings, select Watch Software Update, and tap Download and Install. So while this may not be the most exciting Galaxy Watch update of the year, it's another reminder that software support remains one of Samsung's biggest strengths in the wearable market. Are you still using a Galaxy Watch 4, Watch 5, Watch 6, or the newer Watch FE? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more Samsung updates and tech news.